Hi, Watrous Kinette. This is Cindy. I thought I'd take a second just to show you guys Google Drive and why I think it's a really good idea to use this in Kinette to keep our files. Okay, so you all got an email that looks something like this. It says, "Ooh, I've invited you to work in the following shared folder." And what I did is I set up an account called Watrous Kinette just so we had a place to have this folder. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Open. And then what's going to happen is Google Drive is going to open. And so if there's anything that I'd like to, any files that I'd like to put in, these are places that I can put them. Sorry, that's just grid. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to put add to drive just because I'm used to, and then open in drive because that's where I'm used to working for this. So now I have a folder called Watrous Kinette. If you don't have that, this might be kind of closed and it might just say My Drive. So these are all the different folders I have set up for other things. But you're going to click on Watrous Kinette. Watrous Kinette. You're going to click on this side. There we go. And I get all of these different files. Okay, so here's just some projects that I made up. There's a couple things you can do here. I could add a new folder. I could go create, and I could create a new folder. And let's say I want a place where all the newsletters go. I'm going to create, and then now, lo and behold, there is a place called newsletter. Now, they're starting a new drive, a new format that it's going to look like. So if you've already downloaded that, it might look slightly different. I'm just going to go to the new drive because that's usually what I use with work. There we go. Okay, you guys don't need to see all my other stuff. So Watrous Kinette is the folder we're hanging out in. Okay, so there's all my folders. There's a new folder that I made. So let's just say that I have a file on my computer because I've worked on something. And here is a folder that I have, the Kin Park Barbecue. That was Family Fun Day. So I have this fabulous poster that I'm pretty sure Jody made, but is on my computer, and it says information about it. Well, next year that we go and do Family Fun Day, instead of rewriting the wheel, reinventing the wheel, there we go, it might be valuable to have this and see what it looks like. So I think that'd be valuable to share with all of you. So all I have to do is, if I would like any one of my files, is I just have to drag and drop. Let's see if that worked. So now if I look at, oh, it didn't quite go where I wanted. I wanted that in Family Fun Day. Move out of shared folder. Other users will no longer see this. I think you guys can see that. So Family Fun Day. And there it is. There is that folder. So this is just kind of a neat way that we can keep all of our stuff organized. So by different projects that we do. And then all of us can actually go and edit each of these. So if there's 3 of us working on a project, we could have a document that we use all together. So hopefully some of you have, oh, I think I have to press share just to letting know that I'm going to share it. Maybe not. Oh yeah, I've already shared with all of these people, with 14 other people. Perfect. These are all the different people that can do it. Okay. I don't want to share it with anyone else. The other thing I want you to look at is this how to get started. It talks a little bit about how to use Google Drive. So it says all the different things. You can store any file up to 15 gigabytes. That's pretty cool. You can share them. Everyone can see and edit at the same time. Anywhere. You can get your files from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. So that's kind of neat. It's not like it's being saved on my laptop only and then my laptop dies and we don't have any information. It's also a way to clean up your digital life. You have disk drives, files floating everywhere. This can keep everything in one place. And then it shows how to do it on an Android. If you just click on upload, how to store files, and then on the web you can drag. That's what we did. Or we could have clicked the upload button. Drag and drop. Those of you who unfortunately use Macs, which I don't understand. And then the biggest thing is that we can prep for big events. I use this a lot for my wedding. So you can always look at the most recent. You're not looking at an older version. Okay, and then just some more information there. Okay, so I think this would be a neat idea, but it's only going to be successful if we all use it. It's not going to be successful if only some of us use it, if all of us put our project reports and things like that. Okay, I think there was one other thing, yeah, I wanted to show you. So now if you're looking at a file, if I first click on it, I'm just going to get a preview of the file, and you can tell I can't edit it. Then what you have to do is you actually have to go and download it. Once you download it, now I have that same original file, and I can change it, add something to it, and then when I go and save, okay, then I believe it will save those changes. Maybe we have to re-upload. I'm not sure. But anyways, it's a pretty, especially if you use Google Docs, I could open it in Google Docs. Oh, I don't know why that did that. Pretend you didn't see that. Anyways, things without pictures might work a little better, but it's something that I'm just learning how to use as well for work, but I think it's a neat way to have all our files in one place. Okay, so give it a try. Tell me what you think. Maybe we can put this on our agenda and try it out because I think it would be a neat thing to do. It's probably 6 minutes and 45 seconds I've stolen of your life. Anyways, have a good night. Bye.